what's up guys? Welcome to another video. This is the guitar version. Check out the ukulele one too. The chords that we're going to use for this, very easy to play, is a D minor. If you take off your pinky, it's a D minor 7. You can use that too. To an E. Then to an A major 7. To a D major 7. Okay, so those are the 4 chords that we're going to use. Now the strum pattern for this just goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So. Just like that. So I'm going to have the track playing in the background and we can play along with it. So here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.